Let's read the question. Some students did 2 maths tests. The students' marks for the tests are normally distributed. The diagram shows the distribution of the marks for test 1 and test 2. Estimate the mean and standard deviation of the marks for test 1. Both diagrams have been labelled as test 1 and test 2, so I can clearly see from the diagram that this one that is slightly taller and to the left is representing test 1 and the one that I'm being asked about. The peak of a normal distribution, the centre point, is the mean of the normal distribution. This curve for test 1 peaks at 55, but any mark between 54 and 56 would be acceptable. The standard deviation for a normal distribution is a little bit harder to find. 99.8% of all data lies within 3 standard deviations of the mean. That means that the curve almost touches the bottom 3 standard deviations above and below the mean. This curve almost touches the bottom here at 25 and almost touches the bottom here at 85. Remember, the mean was 55. That means I have increased 3 standard deviations that way and decreased 3 standard deviations this way. I need to work out the difference between 85 and 55, or between 55 and 25. They should be the same, which they are. That means that 3 standard deviations equals 30. So 1 standard deviation must be 10. 1 mark for the mean, 2 marks for the standard deviation.